So as you guys can or can't see, it's now dark. There goes a cur. It was daylight earlier. I should have recorded this, but as you may or may not be able to see, there's a combine on that side of the road. We are done combining back there. I should have had my camera today. I didn't record anything today, but might still be filling another semi-truck load tonight, because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. It's clouding up. It's been kind of cloudy ever since this afternoon, but I'm just going up here to grab my sweater. I left it up here. Do it now while it's warm. I'm not sure when my uncle will be back with the semi-truck, but he has to dry the corn and stuff, so it might be late, might not be at all, but I think the plans were to get one more semi-truck. If it comes 9 o'clock and it's not here, or even 8 o'clock, it's calling for rain after 10, I am going to pull the combine into the shop right there. But yeah, still combining. Sorry I haven't had the camera out much today, but I wanted to focus on my combining, plus running behind. So we're now combining the top cornfield. I think I got 2 more dumps to fill up the semi-truck. I just now about ran out of fuel, and as I was unloading this past dump, and I rushed back. Well, I was already back there at the semi unloading, but I started running out of fuel, so I quickly went to the diesel fuel tank and got her filled up. But yeah, just here combining along at 2.2 miles per hour. I could go a little faster. There we go. That's good for me. No need to rush it. And try and drive real fast and lose corn out the back. But yeah. Not be able to see the barn down there. I don't think you can see it, it's too dark. But in the top field, combining my corn. No corn on the outside rows, but it gets better over there. Hashtag high quality, not my camera. Combining the corn. Oops. I just bumped the camera lens. Come on. Driving one-handed is really easy. much better. If I can stay on my row. But I hope you guys